be an area of tropical interest that's going to be affecting northern and western portions of Florida that I'll tell you more about in a second. But I want to show you just how active the whole southern east coast of Florida is. All the way down through Miami, we're dealing with very active weather, and you can see that here. In fact, this storm in Broward County, this is under a severe thunderstorm warning. It could just clip Boca Raton, so something I'm keeping an eye on there. As of right now, no advisories for our area. I want to take you step by step where we're really seeing a lot of this lightning and thunder. Nettles Island down through Sailfish Point, Mariner Sands, Stewart, a lot of lightning, heavy rain, gusty winds as well. And then as you can see here, we've got rain and still some lightning down through Jupiter. Moving into Palm Beach County, we've got that rain and lightning from Palm Beach Shores down through West Palm Beach, the Florida Science Center, Century Village. Taking a wider look though, I want to show you, it might look like it's calming down just a little bit, but I showed this to you earlier. We've got this whole other line of storms that's going to continue to push toward the coast. So Wellington, Lion Country Safari, Boynton Beach, Boca, you are not done yet. It's going to be a stormy evening for at least, I'd say, a couple more hours. A few storms lingering around into the early overnight, dying down by midnight, a few showers overnight into early Sunday morning, and then another round of storms for Sunday afternoon as well. We're really seeing some nice temperatures out there where we've seen the rain though, so once this rain does move out, if you have dinner plans, it should be nice for it. Upper 70s for most of us overnight tonight. The rain, as I said, will move out and then becoming partly cloudy. For your day tomorrow, a few morning showers, but you're really going to have to keep an eye on the forecast. Scattered storms once again, a lot like today in the forecast. Another hot and humid day, low to mid 90s, going to feel more like the triple digits. I told you that I'm keeping an eye on some tropical weather. The National Hurricane Center not even putting updates out on what was Earl any longer. But this area that I was showing you off the Panhandle has a 20% chance of formation in the next 5 days. And then another area just north of Puerto Rico that we're watching that could bring some rain to us here in South Florida by the middle of next week. So a couple areas of tropical interest out there. Let's take a look at your 7-day forecast. Scattered storms once again tomorrow, and that continues into next week. Slightly lower rain chances as we head into the middle of the week, depending on what happens with that tropical system. Temperatures, though, staying in the lower 90s.